Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Best Way podcast from English Practice Every Day. I'm Kevin.
And I'm Jane. It's so good to be here with all of you again. Kevin, this morning I woke up and I really just wanted to stay in bed. I felt so lazy.
Oh, I know that feeling, Jane. Sometimes it's hard to start the day, right? Did you at least get a nice cup of coffee?
Yes, a big one. And I just listened to some quiet music while I drank it. No thinking, just listening. It was very relaxing. And that actually made me think about our topic today.
Ah, you mean the lazy way to learn English. I love it. It sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? Just listen daily. Can it really be that easy, Jane?
It really can, Kevin. Of course, lazy doesn't mean you do nothing at all. It means you choose an easy, natural way, like I did with my music this morning. You just let the English come to you.
That's a great point. So, for our listeners who are just starting or feel a bit tired of grammar books, what exactly is this lazy way?
It's simple. Listen to English every day, not just sometimes, but make it a part of your daily life, like drinking water or having coffee every day.
Okay, every day sounds a bit like work though. How long should someone listen, really? Is it like an hour? 2 hours?
No, not at all. That would not be lazy. Start small, Kevin. Maybe just 15 minutes or 30 minutes. What's important is that you do it every single day.
15 minutes a day. That sounds very doable. So, what should people listen to? Any special English lessons?
Anything you enjoy. That's the key to being lazy. If you like music, listen to English songs. If you like stories, listen to audiobooks. If you like news, listen to news in English. Our podcast, for example.
Of course, our podcast. That's what I love about this method. It takes away the pressure. When I first started learning a new language, I always felt like I had to understand every single word.
And that's the big mistake. With the lazy way, you don't need to understand everything. Think about a baby learning their first language. They don't understand everything at first, right? They just listen, listen, listen.
That's a very good comparison. So it's more about getting used to the sounds, the rhythm, the flow of English?
Exactly. Your brain is amazing. Even if you don't know the meaning of every word, your brain is working. It's collecting sounds, patterns. It's connecting words to feelings or to pictures in your mind.
So even if I put on an English podcast while I'm doing dishes or cleaning my house or walking the dog, it's still helping me?
Absolutely. That's called background listening. It's super lazy and super effective. You don't need to sit with a dictionary. Just let the English wash over you.
I like wash over you. It sounds very relaxing. So, what are the actual benefits? What will listeners notice if they try this lazy method?
Many things. First, your ear gets used to English. You'll start to hear words more clearly. Second, your pronunciation will improve. You'll start to say words more like a native speaker, even without trying too hard.
Pronunciation. That's a big one for many learners. It can be quite hard to get the sounds right.
Right. And listening helps a lot. Also, you'll naturally learn new words. You'll hear words in different sentences, and your brain will start to connect the dots. You'll understand the meaning little by little.
So, vocabulary without flashcards? That's really lazy.
Exactly. And another great benefit, confidence. When you listen a lot, you start to feel more comfortable with English. It doesn't feel so strange or scary anymore. This helps you to speak more too.
Confidence is key. Many people are afraid to speak because they worry about mistakes. But if they're used to hearing it, maybe it makes speaking feel more natural.
That's it. And for those who want to be a little less lazy, you can try to repeat some sentences you hear. Just simple repetition. It's like singing along to a song.
Oh, I love singing along to songs, even if I don't know all the words. So, listen, then try to say some parts. That's a good next step.
Yes, it helps connect what you hear to what you say. So let's say someone starts today. When will they see results, Kevin? Tomorrow?
Probably not tomorrow, Jane. Learning a language is like growing a plant. You water it every day, but you don't see a big tree in one night. It takes time. But the important thing is consistency.
Consistency, yes. Doing it a little bit every day is much better than doing it a lot just once a week. Your brain needs regular input.
So, My lazy morning coffee listening, that actually helped my brain? That's amazing. I'm going to start doing that every day now.
You should. It's such an easy habit to build. And remember, choose things you like. If you listen to something boring, it won't be lazy. It will feel like homework.
Right. Homework is the opposite of lazy. So, to recap for our listeners, the lazy way to learn English means?
Listen to English daily, even for just 15-30 minutes. 2. Choose things you enjoy: music, podcasts, shows, audiobooks. 3. Don't worry about understanding every word. Just listen and let your brain work.
And 4. Be consistent. Do it every day, and over time, you will feel and hear the difference. You'll improve your pronunciation, vocabulary, and confidence without even trying too hard.
It's like magic, but it's really just your brain working. So don't feel bad about being a bit lazy sometimes. Use that laziness to your advantage when learning English.
I love that motivation, Jane. Let your laziness help you. So, for our listeners, what do you think? Will you try this lazy way to learn English? What kind of English audio do you like to listen to?
Yes, let us know in the comments below. We want to hear your ideas and what you're listening to. Maybe you can give others some good suggestions too.
Absolutely. And if you found this episode helpful, please remember to like this video, subscribe to our English Practice Everyday channel for more tips, and share it with your friends who are also learning English.
Every like, subscribe, and share helps us reach more learners like you. Thank you so much for joining us today, everyone. It was a pleasure talking about this lazy but smart way to learn.
It really was, Jane. So keep listening, keep practicing, and we'll see you next time on the Best Way podcast. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone. Happy listening.